Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Guy, and today I'm gonna tell you a story. A real story. If you see it as a story title, watching something scary. So what happened was, it's a short story. I was watching Ghost Adventures. And what I was watching was a, a family that was getting possessed, like seeing a demon or something. Like this teenage girl, 15-year-old girl, like, she had orange hair, a blue dress, light orange hair. And I was like, she was possessing to suicide the father. Something like that. Yeah, I was watching that kind of thing. Some reason my heart was like beating fast, like beat, 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 beat. Until like I could not breathe that well. I felt like she was still real. I felt like it was spirit hunting me. So I got scared. I went crazy. Well, not so much. Oh, I was acting normal, but like I couldn't breathe that well. It's like, oh my gosh, I don't know what they're called, but I hope you can hear me because I'm really tired and it's like 12. I'm so tired. And I still feel like it. Tell your friends, go ahead, share it to your whole family. Go ahead, I don't care. Please, don't do something scary to me. Bye.